Hello all. Today I wanted to share another important scenario based functional testing interview question. So the question is, if the defect is not reproducible, what you will do? And that means we found a defect in the environment, but when we are trying to reproduce the same defect again in the same environment, it is not reproducible. So in that case we can proceed like this. Like, if I could able to capture the behavior at least once in the evidences, when we initially tried the behavior, we got the defect, right? At that time, if we have taken the screenshot, we can discuss with the development team and also our testing team, and we can raise a defect. And before raising the defect, it's good to discuss with development team in the triage meeting by showing the evidences and corresponding logs as well. So this is the case when we are able to take the screenshot of the behavior we initially found the defect. And if we don't have any evidences for the defect which is not reproducible, then we can try like below. Like, we can try to test the flow multiple times with multiple test data, or the same test data we initially found, and also in multiple browsers in different times, like 2 to 3 times in different time frames. And also, we have to verify the test environment settings, when we initially found what environments settings are there, and also what has been changed to now, because we are unable to reproduce it, right? So these are all we can change, and we can try to take the screenshot, behavior of that particular defect screenshot and logs to prove the defect. So even if we don't have the evidences, but the defect you found is in the major functionality, then it's always good practice to spend some time, like a limited amount of time, to investigate that particular defect, because the defect is there somewhere in the software. And then we should have a discussion with the about the defect with the development team. So these are all the two approaches. One is like, if we can able to take the screenshot initially, and second approach is if we don't have the evidences of an unreproducible defect. Hope this would be helpful. Thank you.